So we just opened one. Now let's open another one. Banana's cute. Bananas, yummy. Bananas, cute and yummy and sweet and I don't know what I'm saying. Ah! Bananas are cute. Bananas are yummy. Bananas are. Bananas are yummy and bananas are cute. I am yummy and I am cute. Now let's peel open the banana. Oh, I forgot one more layer. I wonder I didn't see it in the back of the camera. Now let's peel it open. Let's get all the things out. This thing. Is there anything in there? Nope. Let's close the banana. Next time I'm going to put things in there and surprise my friends. And see, I have a banana. Go try it. It's very sweet. And they open it, there's toys in there. I got a pineapple and gem stickers and what is this? Let me see it. Oh, it's a little bug. No, it's a pear. Right, it's a pear. It is a pear. I got a pear. No, this is not a pineapple. This is a cantoon. And this is a bug. Yeah. And this is gem stickers. Cameraman, look. They're shiny gem stickers. Let's put them aside. Let's open the second one. So excited. We got this. And we got him a sticker. Got his sticker that I chomped off of it. Now let's open the flyer. He is Lassie Lizard, BFF. Ariana Spider. Oh. His BFF is Ariana Spider. And Ariana's BFF is Lassie Lizard. They're both friends. Okay. I hope I get Ariana Spider then. Now let's stuff. Oh, I forgot this blind bag. This is where he stays. I'm not gonna put it together later. I'm gonna put it back into his banana. This banana is so heavy. It's very heavy. Put the sticker in. And then, no, I have to put him first. Put Lassie Lizard. put Lassie Lizard sticker, putting the leaf, the long thingy, the can tune, toucan, and the little buggy. And the gem stickers, which are very pretty. I'm loaded with gem stickers at home. And the flyer. I'm gonna fold it extra small. Oh my gosh, they're falling out.